Students, today we are going to discuss about another analytical question who is based on the chemical reaction, because here unknown substances are available but mechanism of chemical reaction is given here in this analytical question. So question say to you, and nitrogen containing organic compound A, it is an unknown substance, have their molecular formula MF is CH5N. It reacts with compound B. It is a haloform compound in basic medium. It gives alkyl isocyanide. It is a compound who have a bad order. So the last product is compound C. A question say to you, identify the compound A, B and C, give its chemical reaction, also its name of this chemical reaction, because their mechanism says that it is a nominated reaction, and their structural formula. So they, according to the given variation of this question, solve their steps. First, we take its molecular formula. The molecular formula of organic compound is C5N. Here a clue for you students. Question say to you, it is a nitrogen containing organic compound. So nitrogen is available. You know that nitrogen make amine group. So the simple formula of amine is NH2. Then C have their valency 4. Each carbon atom shown their valency 4. So with the help of their structure, we find out the compound A. Single bond H, single bond H and single bond H, and here NH2 group is added to form amine. Then this product is known as CH3NH2. It is named methylamine. This one is the compound A. This is compound start the given chemical reaction. It reacts with compound B. For compound B, the clue is haloform. You know that the simple formula of haloform is CHX3. CHX3 is the simple formula of haloform. So we take some examples of haloform, because X is categorized by halogen atoms, especially for chlorine, bromine and iodine. So we make the examples of haloform. First one is CHCl3. Second one is CHBr3, and third one is CHI3. It is known as chloroform because here chlorine is available, and this one is known as bromoform, and last one is known as Iodoform. All examples belong to the category of haloforms. So we select here chloroform as a compound B. So two compounds are identified here. Compound A is known as methylamine and B is known as chloroform. Students, this compound B and compound A react with basic medium. For basic medium, we also take a basic compound like as a potassium hydroxide KOH or sodium hydroxide NaOH. Then we make this reaction in basic medium according to given question. First compound is CH3NH2 and compound B is as a haloform CHCl3. It is known as chloroform. So A and B, and this reaction is goes on in basic medium. So we take here potassium hydroxide KOH. Both reactants react with one another to form a isocyanide, alkyl isocyanide compound C. So for alkyl group, here methyl is present and the formula of isocyanide is NC. CH3 and triple bond C known as alkyl isocyanide, especially here identified methyl isocyanide, and subtracted potassium chloride KCl and water molecule H2O. For balancing here, chlorine atoms are 3, then potassium is also 3, and then water molecule is 3. This is the chemical reaction of this given question mechanism. If we identify this reaction, then we say that this reaction is a carbylamine reaction. It is a nominated reaction. This reaction is known as carbylamine reaction. And here, this one is the product C. Now we give their structural formulas. For compound A, A equals to CH3 NH2 its name is methylamine and its structural formula is C single bond H single bond H and NH2. Now B is a haloform like as a CHCl3. It is known as chloroform. Its structural formula is given as C single bond H and single bond Cl, Cl and Cl. Now third compound C. Its molecular formula is CH3NC. It is known as methyl isocyanide and its structural formula is given here. C, single bond H, single bond H, single bond H, single bond N, and triple bond C. This one is the structure of methyl isocyanide. So here we completed all category of this question, and now we discussed about another question for a aromatic chemical reaction. Now another question. An nitrogen containing organic compound A have their molecular formula C6H7N. It reacts with compound B, who is identified as a halocomb. It reacts in basic medium and gives aryl isocyanide compound. It is also a bad order compound. So identify these compounds A, B and C, give its chemical reaction and their structural formulas. So according to the question, we find out compound A, because its molecular formula is C6H5 H7 and N. And question clue is given here. This product compound is aryl group. So also you know that this compound shown their property as a aromatic compounds, as a aromatic nitrogen containing organic compounds. We make it the formula of phenyl or aryl group is C6H5, and if we add 2 hydrogen in nitrogen atom, then it makes amine. So this product is, this compound is C6H5NH2. Its name is aniline. It is known as aromatic nitrogen containing organic compounds. Its second fact is react with compound B. It is also halocomb. We also discussed about the halocomb in previous question. So we take a halocomb CHX3 like as a chloroform CHCl3. This one is the product, this one is the second compound of this question B. Now we take this reaction in basic medium. Compound A is C6H5NH2. It reacts with compound B, who is a halocomb. So CHCl3 in basic medium, potassium hydroxide KOH, to form aryl isocyanide compound. Its molecular formula C6H5NC, and subtracted potassium chloride KCl with water H2. Also we shown its structural reaction. C6H5NH2 is the formula of aniline, and it reacts with chloroform CHCl and caustic potash KOH to form product C. This one is a aryl isocyanide and triple bond C, and subtracted potassium chloride with water. H2. So here this is compound A, B and C. Their name and structural formulas are given as. For compound A, C6 H5 NH2, it is known as aniline, and its structural formula is C6H5NH2. Compound B is CHCl3, it is known as chloroform, and its structural formula is Cl, Cl, Cl and H. And compound C, its molecular formula is C6H5NC. Its name is phenyl isocyanide, and its structural formula is given C6H5 and triple bond C. So all compounds are identified here and their structural formulas. So students, these are the important facts of this type of analytical organic compound questions. Here we give their answers with the help of mechanism of this chemical. In other class also we discussed about some missing based questions reaction. Here we identified compound A, B and C as a FIC.